no friends, only live for revenge. Live his life off the hinge, cut through 1,000 bits. Play sweet with the force of a cyclone. Cut missile and bone, missile and chrome. Dead till I'm half, you a dead man. I cut the whole world in half of the #1 headband. Rest of a lonely soul on a lonely road.
You can't get away, kid. Don't make it hard on yourself. Be a good boy and hand that #2 headband over nice and slow-like.
Stop right there, kiddo. You draw that sword and you're dead.
What the hell is with you, kid?
You've got to learn to respect your elders. Looky here, now I'm the #2 warrior. I'm coming for you, #1.
What the hell is this? This kid is really some kind of freak. He's carrying a rotten head around in his backpack.
Oh, wait a minute. I know that guy.
Yeah, that's the old #1.
Yeah, you're right.
Here, give it to me. You want this back, kiddo? Then catch!
Oh, kids these days.
Yeah, they got no respect.
No respect at all.
Sleepyhead. Hey, Gino, you should come look at this.
Wow, check this out. Some piece of work.
He won't wake up, Gino.
What? Whoa! Master! Master! The bandits must have got him. This is bad. 2 guys yesterday and now a kid.
He is not a morning person.
My God, he's alive. Master! Master, he's alive!
He's just sleepy.
Don't get up yet. You've been badly wounded and poisoned. It will take some time for you to recover. We discovered you bleeding on the riverbank. I am called Ukiku. You must rest, mighty samurai. I will take care of you. Don't be alarmed. Of course we know you're a samurai. For who else but a samurai could clutch his sword in a raging river while poisoned, unconscious, and with a broken hand? Sleep. When you awake, I'll have a meal prepared.
Damn! You one lucky dog, Afro!
You look like a mummy.
Cut it out, Otsuru.
Do not worry, young Afro. In my dojo, we are all wounded orphans. You are among friends. Treat him well, my students.
Yes, master. Go! Go! Go!
Strike the ground with yourself. How can you wield a sword if you can't dig a hole? You're mad at the dirt, Gino? Your body is all stiff. Think less, relax.
I'll stay calm and constantly flowing, like a river.
Cheer up, Afro.
Oh, I see we up. Think I wasn't gonna find you? I just took a little R&R, but look at you, boy! All bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, fish, flowers, sunshine. Oh, I see somebody getting their little resort on. Woo, I bet you that babe, what's her name? Okiku? Bet she tastes a hell of a lot better than trout. Don't think I didn't notice her checking you out? Don't tell me. You ain't noticed? This place is bananas! Shit. I'm thinking, shit, I'll even go find me a little hottie to kick it with. Be this cold dude, massage me. Get all sorte, you know what I mean? She got a friend, maybe we can do an orgy, you know, huh? All right. So you ain't the swinging type, all right? Still gonna get my sex on. You know, getting your Jimmy wax just might help you recuperate. All right, you relax. You wanna do your night solo on the low? Cool. Don't forget, my cell is off.
You must not fight over food.
Come on, Afro. We're all waiting on you, dude. We got fishing duties down at the river. Don't you remember? Come on, we're gonna be late. You know how everyone gets when there's not enough fish to eat around here. Look, I don't mean to push, but you really ought to wolf it down. We'll need all your strength. Tricking fish ain't easy.
Tricking fish ain't easy. Wolf 'em down.
Come on!
Let's get to it!
Look, they're escaping. Let's grab them.
Yeah, grab 'em.
You ready for this, Otsuru?
Yay, a fish.
Nice and fat, just like the doctor ordered. It's what the master calls the single beat.
Well, cook it up. Then we can have a quadruple treat.
But there are 6 of us. Isn't that a sextuplet treat?
Huh?
I mean...
Oh, I must have disturbed you in the middle of a dream. Was it pleasant? Forgive me, I'm being nosy. It's time for your medicine. Your wounds heal well, Master Samurai. So tonight, I will cook my special fish for you. You do like fish, don't you?
Fresh vegetables? Fresh vegetables?
Not interested, kid. Beat it.
No luck today. Let's go home, Afro.
So about number 2. Is it true?
That's what they say. Apparently, he's back in town.
Maybe I'll give it a shot.
Whatever. Like you got what it takes to be the number 2 warrior of the world.
Eh? What the fuck? What's this kid doing here?
Where is the number 2?
Who?
The number 2 headband. Tell me who has it.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Tell me where he is.
You little cocksucker! You think you're a killer, boy? Huh? I'll show you a killer. When you fight to kill, finish the job.
Target is confirmed. Yes, he's still injured, an easy prey for my skills. Yes, I understand your point, but my master brother, I would give my life to work in your inner circle.
Can you do it?
Yes, please let me slay the Afro Samurai.
Your supper is ready. What's the matter?
Thanks for everything.
You're leaving?
Tomorrow.
Please, keep it for your travels.
Katajikanai.
Will you not stay with me? For just one more day? There'll be a summer festival tomorrow night at the village below. If it's not too much to ask, will you stay and watch the fireworks with me?
Foolish boy. Never speak to me of such things again. Games of power, revenge, they lead to nothing. Do you really know what it means to be the number 2? It is a life of murder. We are born men in order to live, not to kill. You must break the chain. Only then can we be free of this terrible cycle.
What is this?
Swamp water.
Just try it.
Will it put hair on my chest?
Ew.
Ew, tastes like crap.
Here, Afro, you try it.
Ew.
This boy is the only one with real taste.
Can I have some more? Is he for real?
Afro, you don't have to be polite. It's like I always say, if heaven could be bottled, it just might taste like my lemonade.
Lemonade?
Lemonade.
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 Hey, kid. We know it was you that killed our brother. Too bad you have to pay for it! You little son of a bitch.
Hey.
What the... Huh? Hey, that's my knife. How did you...
You little! You ain't gonna get away from me! This can't be!
I got him!
Good. Don't let him get away. Now let's see you spit swamp water, brat.
You are dead now.
Hey, shorty!
What was that? Huh? What did you just call me?
Shit!
Afro!
Leave him alone!
Behind you! Afro!
Fucking brat! What the... Shit! Stuck! Damn it! I'll kill you!
Holy smoke!
Killing some little kid is normally against my principles. But when you cut my pal's brother, you enter the world of killing, boy. Before I kill you, remember this. If you're gonna swing a sword, you better be ready to get cut by one, too. Say your prayers.
Damn it!
You missed.
You piece of shit! Freaking kid. I should've...
Do you know what number 2 is?
What was that?
I want to see number 2.
What for?
To kill him! I'll kill him! Stop laughing and tell me!
He's already dead.
What?
There's a new number 2. You'll never find him. He's probably long gone.
Yes. Yes. No. I need more time. I haven't acquired that data yet. What I do have has been downloaded onto my cell phone. Yes. Yes. Understood.
Sorry.
Okiku.
Are you there?
Yes.
What is the matter, disciple Okiku?
Nothing. Everything will be taken care of.
Yes, hello, Brother 2 here.
Yo, Afro. Can I ask you something? Now, I know you cast away your feelings and all, but does that mean casting away your manhood, too? Oh, mama sons don't get much better than the old girl. She's sweet, pretty, knows her first aid, can broil a mean fish dinner. I call that practically marriage material. Come on now, confess. You want to hit that booty. I just want to see my boy happy, you know? Seriously, man. Now, don't you think there's something vaguely familiar about that woman? Look, if you ain't gonna knock them boots, I will. Go on, then.
Care for some? It's lemonade. Do you like it?
I do.
I'm glad. Oh, they're beautiful. This is my favorite time of the year. Fireworks and the festivities. The people coming and going. Everyone just simply having a good time. May I ask where you're traveling to, mighty samurai?
East.
East. Oh, don't you love those kind? They're my favorite.
You move me. I stare at your lips every time you start to speak. Oh, so lovely. When you kiss my lips, it drives me crazy. Oh, so precious. Every time you wrap your arms around me, and I think I couldn't see, now I see.
It's all because of you!
Forgive me. I've become a ninja of the Empty Seven clan. I've been siphoning your memories to copy your sword skills. But I can't. I can't do it anymore. To me, you're still that same boy from those wonderful times so long ago.
Get out of my way. Otsuru.
Lord Afro!
Otsuru! You fucking whore. This is the price you pay for your betrayal.
The data.
We have obtained the data. That's enough, Brother Six. We are leaving.
Damn shame, ain't it? Just when you start getting your groove on, shit always gotta get killed, burnt down, whatever. Hey, you know your afro got a little scorched there, huh? You listening to me? Ah, man, you really are a cold-blooded motherfucker. Hey, well, how about we keep this little memento of your lady friend, huh? Ah!
ゴンゾ